Hello student, Namaste Sojanlai. Welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we have completed plant having winged fruit. So today in this video I am going to provide you tricks to remember the plants having winged seed. Plants having winged winged seed. Plant having winged seed. And one thing, if you are new in the channel, please do subscribe my channel. So now let's move into the trick. So the trick is at the rate PCM, physics chemistry math PCM. So in first we have P, so P means pinus. In second we have C means cinchona tree, and in third we have M means moringa, moringa, moringa. So these three are important, and these three are plants having winged seed. So this all about the winged seeds plants. And one thing, if you have any query or any problem, please comment down below and like my videos. So this all about today. Thank you for the class.